When it comes to your double glazing, windows and doors, you can't leave it to chance. And that's why home and business owners throughout the southeast of England turn to DG Servicing. For over 30 years, we've been at the forefront of high-quality double glazing installations and first-class repairs. Discover our stunning range of front and back doors, beautiful bay windows, double glazed windows and conservatory windows. From the very latest in home security locks and key systems, our helpful team can demonstrate how easy it can be for you and your family to feel safe and secure in your home. Everything we do complies with the latest in building regulations, and we're FENSA registered too, so you can relax knowing that every repair, installation or piece of advice we provide is from a qualified and highly recommended glazing company. Our glazing repairs and installation service is renowned for its efficiency and high-quality workmanship. Using the latest techniques, we're confident that we can exceed all your expectations. For your free site survey and consultation, speak to a member of our team today. Get in touch with DG Servicing.